In this video, we're going to have a look at parallel lines and transversals. I've drawn two parallel lines and I've indicated that they're parallel by using arrows. A transversal crosses the parallel lines. We say that line AB is parallel to line CD, and I've labelled the transversal QP. Corresponding angles I nickname F angles. They're in corresponding positions around two vertices. For instance, this angle here and this angle here is considered corresponding. And what you can do is draw a F around the two angles to remember. Now the F doesn't necessarily have to be in that form. The F could be back to front. For instance, this angle and this angle are corresponding, because I can do a reverse F. We can even do upside down Fs. This angle here and this angle here are corresponding. I can draw an F around the angles. If two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. For example, we have two parallel lines indicated. If this angle here is 100 degrees, then the corresponding angle here, theta, is also 100 degrees because of the corresponding angle rule. I'm just going to draw a little symbol for the corresponding angle rule. You can draw an F around the two angles. Alternate angles I nickname Z angles. This angle here and this angle here are alternate because they're on alternate sides of the transversal. You can draw a Z around the alternate angles. The Z doesn't have to be a conventional Z, it could be a back to front Z. For instance, this angle here and this angle here are alternate. You can't make any other Z's any other way unless the diagram is rotated. If two lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. For example, if this angle here is 30 degrees, then this angle here, being the alternate angle, theta, is also 30 degrees using the alternate angle rule. The co-interior angles I nickname the C rule or the U rule. They are co-interior between the two lines and on the same side as the transversal. For instance, this angle and this angle are co-interior. We can make a C around the angle, or a back to front C. This angle and this angle are co-interior. Now you might notice that I've indicated one angle with using one line and the other using two lines. And that's because co-interior angles aren't equal. And you can clearly see that one would be an acute angle and the other obtuse angle. If the two lines are parallel, then the co-interior angles are supplementary. That is, they add to 180 degrees. If we had this angle here as 50 degrees, then theta would be 130 degrees because of the co-interior rule. Many problems that you'll come across will involve two or more rules and multiple steps. Ensure your solution has a reason for each step. It could be a description or a diagram, or both.